trend. Welcome back or welcome first time. It's your first time. Welcome then to the show if it's your first time. Good, what's up? Happy welcome to the show. This is Ben, I'm the host, and it's Trending Trends Trend. Welcome back or welcome first time. It's your first time. Welcome then to the show if it's your first time. Yo, my name is Ben, and this is how the show freaking goes. It's a secret, so shh, and don't tell anybody you know, because this is our secret, you and me. That's right. But if you can, like, comment, and subscribe. So this is how the show goes. Yeah, I go into what's trending every day. I wake butt up early and look at what's trending on YouTube. That's right. And I go inside to see how people are gaining in their popularity. Yeah, they're posting and they're making sure their videos are 10 minutes. They're making sure their arrows and their image and they're flexing and they're doing stuff with girlfriends and they're doing stuff with boyfriends. Making sure everybody knows what's up. So yeah, that's right. That's how we freaking check it out. Now I increase the tempo a little bit and you know it's what's up. Oh no, it went a little too fast there. But yeah, this is Trending Trends Trend. I'm Ben. This is a secret. This is like the best show ever, but it's a secret. So don't tell anybody. I look at what's trending. We talk, we react, we figure things out. It's basically just like we're hanging out together. I'm happy you're here. If this is your first time, thank you for coming. Like, comment, and subscribe. But this is a secret. This is like the secret best show there is. So to get the day started, or maybe you're in the middle of your day, but it's always nice to do this. Let's just do some facials. Let's do some facials. We're gonna do some faces. This is for the image when I'm making the video. FaceTime. We're calling this FaceTime together. You do it with me. Hopefully do some faces with me. Here we go. Like you in my life. Okay, so that's facials. You have your voice warmed up. If you're somewhere, get your neck and stretch it a little bit, and then go very low, but then go very high almost immediately. Okay, so this is what happens. We go into what's trending on YouTube or on YouTube. I look at YouTube in the tub, and I watch it every day with the rub, and then I get on down with the club, and then I bang, bang, bang like little Bam Bam from the Jetsons. Okay, so check it out. We've got unboxing the Apple mask. Wow, Apple's come out with a mask. That's pretty cool. I'm kind of interested in that personally. Okay, unboxing the Apple mask. Real Iron Man Repulsor giveaway. What? That's cool. Photon repulsor. I could see, like, you know, people thinking they're actually going to get something that shoots lasers. I don't think so. Faze Clan. We asked strangers to guess the fake Faze member. Okay. Going down a little bit. Heart gone. Okay. We're trying to find the most viewed thing right now that's trending, the most viewed video, but that's not a song. It's Friday, so a lot of songs are on. I think we want to go for the real Iron Man Repulsor giveaway by the Hacksmith and see just what he's talking about. With this ad, Dumb Owl, check this out. Dumb Owl is where I make all my comedic sketch videos. I'm a writer, director, producer. I make comedic films and sketch comedy, and I put them on Dumb Owl Productions, which is where you can find it all. So go over there and check it out. Here we go.
We just made this full metal Iron Man gauntlet complete with a repulsor using a photon beam generator. Check out the destruction it did. Plus, we're gonna have a giveaway for this awesome helmet.
Is he for real? Like, it actually like lights things on fire?
Everyone wishes Iron Man was real. But for some reason, no eccentric billionaires have stepped forwards. I'm looking at you, Elon. Now, I'm no billionaire, but I am eccentric.
Oh, I like it, Mr. Eccentricity. Mr. Eccentric Man.
A real Iron Man suit. Well, pieces of it anyways. So far, we've made the world's first full metal Iron Man helmet complete with a heads-up display. We've also made a rather electrifying arc reactor.
Whoa!
We've also made a full metal Iron Man gauntlet complete with a plasma cutter capable of cutting through 1-inch thick steel.
All right, that's pretty awesome. That's really cool. Well done.
As well as Dummy the Robot. So on this episode of Make It Real, we'll be building Iron Man's other glove, complete with a real-life repulsor. Let's get started.
Uh-oh. They are making this suit.
Months ago, Bogdan and I designed and built the first metal Iron Man gauntlet while stuck in our facility during the initial weeks of the pandemic. Thinking about it now, that's not unlike Tony making his first suit while trapped in a cave. I mean, I guess our facility is a bit nicer than a cave, though.
Right, doesn't have the terrorists.
We started by using Papakura files for reference of an existing cardboard Iron Man gauntlet. Then, we exported them into our CAD software to modify them to suit our design. Once we were happy with the 3D model, we exported all the flat patterns into a DXF format in order to plasma cut the parts on our CNC plasma table. After cleaning up the parts, we were able to intricately fold the metal pieces, just like origami, and then weld the seams together. To make the glove strong and to protect your hand, we opted to use a chainmail glove instead of a fabric glove like most Iron Man gauntlets. This resulted in an Iron Man gauntlet that's both dexterous, but also strong and light. Easy, right? But this time, we want to take it one step further. So we're actually going to be sending this out for professional ceramic coating in titanium gold and hot rod red.
Oh.
Which not only provides strong abrasion resistance, thermal insulation, and make the surface super hard, but it's also accurate to Iron Man lore.
Put a little hot rod red in there.
Yes, that should help you keep a low profile.
Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool.
In the meantime, let's talk about the real tech behind Iron Man's Repulsor, with something called a muon.
What is Iron Man's Repulsor anyway? In fiction, it's a high-energy muon beam with 2 power modes. A low power mode capable of pushing things back using a shockwave, which has actually been done by Alex Lab in Russia. He used hydrogen gas and an igniter to create a small shockwave. The other mode is the high power mode, which causes utter destruction, our favorite pastime. Which means we need to create an Iron Man glove capable of causing destruction. Now, creating a muon beam is no trivial matter. It can actually be done using city-sized particle accelerators that use entire power grids to generate muon beams. But even they are not powerful enough to show what was demonstrated in the Iron Man movies. Thanks a lot.
Who is?
Like, are we forgetting that it's fiction? I mean, I know that they're doing a really good job of creating stuff that's real, but like he's a superhero character. I understand. We're getting as far as we can. It's cool. I'm not knocking it. I think it's the coolest thing I've ever seen. Would you get off my back about it? Because I'm pretty excited. All right. Skip that ad.
Now, unfortunately, my particle accelerator is at the shop for repair. So we're going to have to settle for the next best thing, a photon beam generator. Luckily, we just so happen to have one of the highest power continuous wave collinear photon beam generators available to industrial research facilities like ourselves. I
understood, I think, only half of one of those words he just said right there.
I managed to find another module on eBay after chatting with Styropyro. This little module is 200 times more powerful than the highest laser classification rating, Class 4. Even a Class 2 laser is capable of burning your eyes out. At 20,000 times brighter than a Class 2 laser, that means even looking at the spot of the beam produced by this can cause instant blindness.
Whoa!
Sound fun? And of course, it's capable of burning pretty much anything. Now, we've actually used this module for a few projects now, including our militarized half-scale Cybertruck, and more recently, my Civil Warrior arc reactor shield. For both of those projects, we just used the laser module as is, without any focusing lenses, which means it wasn't that destructive. This time, we're going to be using a little optical engineering and utilizing a few different lenses to maximize the power of this little guy. But one of the biggest issues with using a high-power laser is the heat output. So far, we've relied on a large water cooling loop to make sure the laser doesn't burn out. But
You know, in this room full of weapons that they're creating, I think the most destructive and potentially most dangerous weapon in there are this guy's guns, right? This guy's strong. You saw those rings in there? They're doing
Word from our spot.
they're doing swings.
You guys, but these days, I do literally all my shopping online, which is why I use Honey, the free browser extension.
I like honey. I like honey. I'm a big bear. All right, so check it out. While he's promoting honey, I'm going to promote this Dumb Owl Productions really nifty face mask. Check it out. So Dumb Owl, right? I said it earlier. Dumb Owl is where I make all my comedy videos. See? Mug Dumb. And I make my videos there, and this show is all about meeting you and us hanging out so that you can follow me and follow Dumb Owl and check out my comedy stuff and then get really cool face masks when you're like, oh, Ben's super legit. Let's wear some face masks. Let's get our face masks on. We have another face mask that I want to show you. Check this one out. Oh, wait. We'll pause the really cool video. Okay, check this one out. This one's really cool. So we have a song called, like a music video called Keep Your Face Mask On, which is really funny. Check that out. That'll be up in the link right up there. But check this out. This is our Keep Your Face Mask On face mask. If you can see, that's just a still from the music video where we're wearing our face masks, trying to make sure that everybody stays safe and keeps their face mask on. Y'all, let's get back to the video, shall we?
However, the Star Power sent us has been working great, but I think we can make it smaller. Luckily,
There's
he
a
also
song
sent us
and
map,
there's a
which means
copyright
we can design
problem.
a circuit board. I'm going to be using Ultimate
Balalima.
Design, which is the industry standard for
Balalima.
design software, and it's super
Copyright
powerful.
things
They
got
also
to
have
change the
Ultimate
song
Viewer.
type.
There's a free electronic design
I
viewer
have to
that allows
sing
you to
cause there's
share
a
all-
song. So sometimes I sing when there's a song, so we avoid copyright things. Science.
All right, the circuit is all done.
There's also
Time
like
to
a
start
lot of
moving
like
these
science
pieces.
going on, a lot of math. If you want to see the math that I do, check out one of our comedy videos called Bad Math. That corner, hit it. Yo, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I'm making comedy videos that are actually pretty gosh darn day are funny, and so I want people to see them and I want people to laugh. Or I think they make people laugh because I've got like some friends who say they laugh. Anyway, if you're laughing, you're not suffering, and laughter is like the best feeling in the world. So I just want to spread that more. All right, we're back.
And they're really affordable. So let's get this
Uh-huh.
sent off, and we should be able to start soldering soon. Well, that was quick. Guess it's time to start soldering. Charles, how the heck do you expect me to solder this?
I mean, this is exactly what Iron Man was doing in his movies. He was doing precisely all of these small, tiny, microscopic electrical connections.
Fun fact, before I did YouTube full-time, I actually had 2 engineering jobs. I worked as a mechanical designer.
Ching,
designing
ching,
injection
ching,
molding,
ching. Okay, the music is really a
and visual
problem.
projectors. In both of those roles, I actually
But-
did a lot of work with liquid cooling systems. And one of those companies was actually throwing out this rather nice coolant water reservoir. I mean, look at this. It's all machined aluminum, super soft. Anyways, this is a really awesome reservoir. So I think we're going to use it for the Iron Man project. The really nice thing is it's got these quick connect fittings. Take a look.
The only engineering question I have is, how did you engineer that bod?
Without spilling any coolant. Before, we were using this stupid water cooling loop from a PC, and as you can see, you can literally like rip off the hoses. It's not good.
It's garbage.
The hoses connect to the small aluminum water block, which will interface with a repulsor module that Bogdan's prototyped a few units of. Let's build this up.
All right, so I have a feeling they're going to accomplish making this device or this Iron Man photon blaster, which if they do, then like we're getting closer to everybody having their own Iron Man stuff, which honestly would end in total destruction. Right.
All right, so how does it work? On the back end, we plug in 2 batteries. This will run the system for about 10 minutes straight, which is pretty good. Especially considering it's the highest power laser. Oh, it's this. I thought it was a 3D printer. So that's the sound of the reservoir and the fan right here, keeping the driver cool. So on the other end, you can see that the fan is powered by the board from the batteries, which also powers the reservoir pump. That's the other neat thing about this. The pump is actually integrated into the reservoir. And then we have our trigger switch there. So basically if you put a switch in that shorts that, that'll trigger the laser. This 8-pin output here is for the actual laser, and Bogdan's currently soldering up that connector right now.
Let's go, Bogdan. Let's go, Bogdan. Hurry it up.
Sir, your package has arrived.
It's here.
Woo! Nice. You know, if you use a knife, you don't have to use it.
It's like, let me use my bat. Star.
Damn. So shiny. Nice. Good. Nice. Now the glove. Do this. I don't know if my hand will fit. Just right pinky. There we go.
Of all the things they can do, they could not paint. It's interesting. I'm kidding, they can. It's a ceramic. I
Like
listened.
Iron Man.
Yeah.
Now we just need a.
Alright.
Now we gotta figure out what to put under here. More lasers and rockets
Maybe.
and flamethrowers.
Let's go put it together.
Let's do it.
Alright, we've got all the parts we need to build our Iron Man Repulsor. So, let's get started.
Check it.
First step is installing the laser into the repulsor module.
The music is
Before we do that, we're gonna
a problem,
clean it up.
but it's okay. Doesn't matter.
The reason we're cleaning the lens is because the amount of heat and light going through this means if there are any contaminants or even oil or grease on the surface, it could cause the lens to like shatter, which we obviously don't want.
Okay, I gotta like make the music go quiet because it's basically Tony Stark doing Tony Starkings, making the Tony Starking project, the Tark and the Stark and the Tony and the Thomas and the what's Tony short for? Tonya? Tony. Hi, my name is Tony. Tonalyn? Toniator? Hi, my name is Tony. Tony. Is that short for anything? Thomas? Why would you go to Tony from Thomas? Or is it just Tony? Anthony. That took way too long. But he's ready. Okay, he's ready.
If I'm not, we have to go back to the drawing board.
Get off my back about it, alright.
Thing.
Cool.
Yeah, you guys might be thinking, Hacksmith, why don't you get a haircut so you actually look like Tony Stark again? To which I answered, I do look like Tony Stark. In the new Avengers game, the cheap knockoff Tony Stark.
Do the Avengers pose a danger to society? That was the question, Bruce.
Oh my gosh, he looks exactly like that animated
Really,
Tony
we just gotta
Stark.
plug everything else in and we're done.
It's awesome. All right, I'm very excited about this laser either working or not, and the ad keeps coming up. Oh no, All right, this is my Lois, Mom, Lois. This is my Stewie Griffin. Oh, Brian. What the deuce? I could almost do Stewie. It's almost like a Stewie Griffin Paul McCartney kind of like fusion. Is like a Stewie Griffin, Paul McCartney kind of vibe. All right, we're almost here. Did they do it? Oh, that's the music from Iron Man, and I gotta change the copyright star. Yeah, why freaking not? Okay, let's just see you do it. Ow! Ow! Yeah!
Holy crap, it's on fire. But it's still kind of working. Look at that.
I am Iron Man.
Now, like I mentioned earlier in the video, we're actually using a focusing lens for the first time with this 100-watt blue laser diode. That means my focus changes based on where I'm standing. This particular lens has a focal point of 1 meter, which means hypothetically I should get the most concentrated laser beam at 1 meter. And if I go anywhere closer or further away, the beam's gonna get bigger. Pretty cool, right? Wow! That was sweet!
Like, this is like imagining like if Iron Man like did everything Iron Man did, but just like it took him 20 minutes to do everything he did in like seconds. But in terms of like burning things, I guess. I'm saying it's cool, is what I'm saying.
It made me hungry. Let's make some popcorn.
Oh, are we gonna... Is it snack time?
Well, that might be too hot. Alright, maybe this isn't the best way to make popcorn. Jesus Christ, why is the laser still on? And that's not how you're supposed to use lasers. These are my favorite pants.
That was a joke. They're not your favorite pants. I think we all know that.
Speaking of things to burn, did you know not having honey is like burning money? To illustrate that, we're gonna have a little race. I'm gonna use my Iron Man Repulsor to burn these bills on the wall.
No.
Owen is gonna install honey, and once he's in,
Why would you do that?
and he can have whatever's left.
No, please don't
You guys
burn the
ready?
money.
Are you
Please
ready?
don't burn the money.
I think so.
Please, please, please don't burn the money. Don't do it.
2, 1, go.
No, 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 no. No, why? Why burn the money? I understand it's a bit, but why do it?
Wait, this is not real money.
Folks, that's fake money, but honey will save you real
Thank
money.
goodness. I mean, really had me thinking it was real money. Spaghetti and rock and roll music. I got to copyright it. All right, he's just gonna do some tricks. Birdie, what if Tony Stark just like talked like this the whole time? Like he just wasn't like. What if Tony Stark wasn't the coolest guy ever? You know, what if Tony Stark could do everything Tony Stark could do, but what if he was just like kind of just like a little, not as witty or not as like gregarious or charming? You know, he was just kind of like a guy. You know.
Who is whiteboardanimation.com?
All right, so now's the part where I'm feeling just a little bit let down. Just a little.
Now, just remember, we are trained professionals. Don't play with lasers. Any kind of laser, really. They're all very dangerous. I actually accidentally burned my leg, even though we were following all the proper safety procedures. Just goes to show, even professionals can mess up. Anyways, thanks to our sponsor, Honey, we're actually giving away one of these awesome helmets. Entering is super simple. All you
Wow,
have to
that
do
was
is
fast.
use Honey browser extension and enter our giveaway using the link below. Good luck.
All right, thank you very much for that, Hacksmith. That was awesome. I just found out who the Hacksmith was Pretty cool guy. Does a lot of floating bar ring exercises, which are really good for your health, and is really smart as an engineer. You know, pretty cool stuff. That's all. This was the show. So if you're making YouTube videos, keep on doing your thing, express yourself. If you're living your life, do that same as well. Live big, express yourself, do the things you love. When things in life get challenging or hard and you don't think anything's ever gonna get better, just know they always get better. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning for a special Saturday morning episode. So be here with me. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and live. No, I already said my sign off. What's my sign off? Gosh dang it.